to be back. Saturday the 14th of August, and I'm going to cycle towards Lochwinnock. The weather's quite weird today because forecast says it's to be dry, but I've seen rain when I've been looking at the window today, both sides of Glasgow, so hopefully that stays away. I'm just wanting to enjoy myself and get a wee cycle, just clear the head. I know I really need this, so let's go. So I'll go through the Clyde tunnel and that'll get me back on track. Well, this is now in a bit welcome. Just great. Cycling, just chilling out. I just passed over the motorway. I'm close to Johnston, I suppose. Aye. So well over halfway. Feeling alright. Do we stop somewhere for a wee bit, so I think I've done a few miles now, heading back, probably about halfway back, more than halfway back, so I should be home for about half an hour, 45 minutes, but it started to rain, but it's totally fine, it's totally fine. I think it just kicks in how much I'm shattered, but I'm just ploughing through because I'm just enjoying cycling so much today, so that's about it. Nearly home. Nearly there. Finally home. So that's me being home, had a wee bit of food, decided to head over to see my folks, so heading back along London Road by Parkhead. If it's looking good, I maybe put the drone out. My legs are feeling actually not too bad, so we'll see how it goes there the next wee 45 minutes. So I was going to fly the drone in the park there, but a wee bit too busy.